Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to use Notion for business goal setting in 2025 so you can stay focused and actually hit your targets. Once you finish setting up your account, the easiest way to start is by grabbing a goal setting template from Notion Gallery or Community. Most come pre-built with section for yearly objective, quarterly milestones, and key results. Duplicate one into your workspace and make it your own. Next, break down each big goal into smaller measurable steps. For example, instead of just grow revenue, set milestones like close 10 new clients or launch 2 campaigns, add deadlines, owners, so accountability is crystal clear. You can use Notion database views like timeline or boards to see progress visually. This helps you spot bottleneck and adjust quickly. Finally, link your goal tracker with other pages like project plans or task boards so everything is connected. That way, your goals aren't just ideas, they are tied directly to your daily actions. With Notion guiding your business goals, you will have clarity, structure, and system to track success all in one place. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.